Hello, how you doing? My name is Tehja Avanni and welcome to Tehja's Wonderland, where we play dress up and make the things we play dress up with. So today, in the Venus Temple Avanni Ensemble video series, that we are doing the panties a part of the Avanni Ensemble. So that's the second to last item that we have to completely bedazzle. And it's always the easiest, and I'm grateful for that, because I went through a lot. The panties, easy peasy lemon squeezy. So it'll be using a lot of the items from the Venus Temple Sparkle collection from Tehja's Wonderland, my brand, for rhinestones and beads and crystals and all that good stuff. You don't even have to get a drink or nothing or a snack or nothing. So anyway, y'all, please relax and let's get on to the video. Alright, so here is the panties. It's a little overexposed. It's a little, you know, too light up in here, but they're white. And so I'm going to dye the absolute crap out of these into the color that I want. I want it in between. I know the bra isn't bedazzled yet. Ha! Time travel. It's like I want it in between this color and the color of the corset. Something along the lines of the same type of like bluish purple. So anyway, I'm gonna try to use RIT dye, even though I know this is made out of synthetic fibers. Hopefully RIT dye will work. If not, I will cry. So this is the panty. This is what the panty looks like. It's a little bit darker than what's on camera. Balancing the light on here is a little complicated, but it's a very light lilac purple. And I think it matches pretty well, because what had happened was I had to do two different panties because the first one ended up being way too dark. I misjudged how much dye needed to be used, and so it ended up being a completely different color that I didn't want it to be. So this was the other panty, and it's not bad. I think it still would have matched, but I just had a vision of just like a lilac color. It was not the vision. Now we are going to bedazzle the crap out of this as well. Shocker, newsflash, breaking news, surprise. So first things first, I have this rhinestone design I want to follow, which is like the teardrop crown jewel and the color love letter, and then water drop pendants that go around it, kind of like this. It'll literally be placed like right here, and then I'll like surround them with these. So Cupid's arrow rhinestones and 24K rhinestones. They're in the arbitrary bag because that's my personal collection. But anyway, here we go. First things first is to do the crown jewels and bank vault gems first. I'm gonna fold this in half, determine the center. So I'm gonna place the teardrop like a little bit lower, like there, I think. It's very cute. Now I'm going to be using Fabri-Fuse instead of the Gem Tack because it's stretchy fabric. It just adheres better. Even though the cheat code to any stretchy fabrics is that you have to just place a dot of glue instead of trying to paint the glue on. Alright, so now I'm going to take the 24K, I think 3mm flatback rhinestones first. I like doing like a starburst out from the teardrop. I probably should have zoomed in. Damn. I am so sorry, y'all. I don't know why I didn't zoom in. I just thought, I don't know. Anyway, taking this out. And then I'm adding some accent Cupid's arrow. Where is it? Cupid's arrow rhinestones to the design here. And then I'm probably going to add them also like towards the top as well, because I just want to use more of these rhinestones. It probably won't look good, but I have a desire and I have to follow it. So anyway, I'm gonna put a Cupid's arrow rhinestone up here, and then I'm gonna put one behind every water drop. All right, and then literally the rest of it is scattering rhinestones. So it's gonna be mainly First Love and Ariana, and then with a scattering of Cupid's arrow. So I'm gonna try to not over rhinestone the panties too, because I tend to do that. I tend to do too much. Make sure to remove any like strings of glue, because you don't want to glue those down because they get very annoying to look at and also to like manage. So I think what I'm gonna do is just put some more, Cupid's arrow up top and then towards the bottom away from the design, just so that the contrast can happen with the design. Cool. So this is the panties. Actually, I'll zoom out. This is the panties. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna let this dry for like 15 to 20 minutes and then flip it over. And I think I'm just gonna do primarily the Cupid's arrow rhinestones and a more sparser design because it's literally the back. And I'm just doing it for one photo shoot. So anyway, so that's it for this video. I'll show you the back when I'm done. Anyway, I'll do some flat lay shots of the panties in its final form because YouTube would shut me down so quick if I tried these on for you, like just straight panties and nothing else. So anyway, here we go. Here is the final result. So that is it for this video. Very quick, very simple, very easy. You know, we love that. Okay, we needed a break from the intense rhinestone and doing something nice and easy and simple. So anyway, all the materials, of course, will be linked down below in the description and pinned in the comments. You know, let me know if you have any questions. And let me know if you're enjoying this video series so far, because I would love to hear it. Or if you use any of the techniques or any of the products in this video to create your own fashion projects. So let me know, y'all. Comment down below. So anyway, that is it for this video. There's like one more bedazzle video left. We're almost done. I always love bedazzling gloves, even though it is a little bit difficult, but the impact is top tier. So anyway, stay tuned for that. So please subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you are notified when that video does come out, and so you can follow along with the Venus Temple Avanni Ensemble project series, video series. So anyway, that is it for this video. So please, lovelies, love yourself, and I will see you next video. Mwah!